Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install PewDiePie Odysseus on your MacBook. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, to run Odysseus on your MacBook, you need three things. First is Git, second is Python, and third is Ollama. First of all, we will check if all of these are already installed on your MacBook or not. Now open Terminal. Click on the search icon at the top right corner of your MacBook and search for Terminal. Open the terminal. Let's zoom it out. Now in here, let's search for Python first. I will type Python 3 version. Now you might also see a Python version like this, which is 3.9.6. Now this is a built-in Python that is already installed on your Mac. We cannot uninstall it, but we need is Python 3.11 plus to run Odysseus on your MacBook. Now let's check for git version. Here we can see that Git is already installed on our MacBook. For the sake of this tutorial, I will also install it again. Now let's check for Ollama. As you can see, Ollama is also not installed. Now let's install these one by one. Let's minimize it. Open a new tab in any of the browser you've installed on your MacBook and search for Python. Open the first link that shows up, python.org. From here, click on Downloads and scroll below. And scroll below until you see looking for a specific release. Now we will not install the latest version of Python because some of the latest versions do not work well with MacBook. Now to run Odysseus, we will install at least Python 3.13. Let's choose the latest version of Python 3.13. Click on the version you want to download. Now scroll below and where it says MacOS installer, click on it. Click on Allow. Now we can see that Python is being downloaded in our MacBook. Once it has been downloaded, go to Finder, go to Downloads, and here you can see that Python 3.13 package installer has been downloaded. Double click to open it. Now continue with the installation file. Click on Continue. Type your password to continue. You can install software. Now while Python is being installed in our MacBook, let's download Git as well. To download Git, simply search for Git on your browser and open the first website, gitscm.com. In here, click on Install and choose macOS from the bar. Now it says that to install Git on our macOS, we can use either of these two options. First one is Homebrew and second one is MacBooks. Homebrew is like a Play Store to install different apps on the terminal. Now our Python has been installed. Let's close it. Now to install Git, we have to install Homebrew. Now to check if Homebrew is already installed on your MacBook, simply type this command in your terminal. Open the terminal and type command -v brew. If it returns you this file, it means that Homebrew is installed on your MacBook. And if it does not return you anything, simply paste this line into the terminal. It is the official command line to install Homebrew in your MacBook. I will also leave it in the description below. Hit enter. Type your MacBook password to continue. Click on enter and it will start downloading Homebrew from your MacBook. Now it took a few seconds to download Homebrew in our MacBook. We can check the version by typing brew -- version. Here you can see this version of Homebrew is installed. Now let's install Git. Simply type brew install Git and hit enter. Now Git has been installed. It took about a few minutes to install Git. Now once you've installed Git and Python, it's time to install Ollama. If you've already installed Ollama using Brew, I recommend uninstalling it because it will not work with Odysseus, as Homebrew leaves some part of Ollama on MacBook. So it is recommended to install Ollama directly from the website. So open a new tab, go to ollama.com, go to download, and in here click on download for macOS. Click on allow. Now the download has been started. We can see it below. Now once the file has been downloaded, go to the downloads folder, double click on the file, move Ollama into the applications folder to download it. And Ollama has been installed. Open Ollama from the application. Click on open. Type your MacBook password. Click on OK. And here you can see that Ollama has been installed. Let's close this. Now if we open the terminal and type Ollama --version, we can see that the Ollama version is showing right now. It means that Ollama was successfully installed in our MacBook. Now let's move on to installing Odysseus on our MacBook. Now in here you can see that we are currently in our user name folder. Let's choose a folder where we want to install Odysseus. Go to Finder. Now we can choose any folder from here. I want to download it in our desktop, so I will type cd /desktop. And now you can see that we are in our desktop. And we can install Odysseus here. You can also use an external drive to download Odysseus and install other models as well. You simply need to change the path address from here. Now come to the official Odysseus PewDiePie Github link. I will also leave this in the description below, so you can go there from there as well. Now scroll below, and where it says native Linux or macOS, copy the first line, hit Command C, go to the terminal, Command V, paste the line here. It will install the complete Odysseus folder on your desktop. Hit enter. Now it is cloning Odysseus from the GitHub in our desktop. Once it is done, go back to the GitHub link and copy the second line. Paste this here, hit enter. Now we are inside the Odysseus folder installed in our desktop. Let's go back and copy the third line. Now in this line we have to edit some things. We have to write the Python version we just installed to make Odysseus work. Because if we write Python 3, it will pick up Python 3.9 version from our built-in MacBook. But we have to make it use Python 3.13. So using your arrows, place the cursor just at 3 and type the version we just installed in our MacBook. I will type 3.13 and hit enter. Now it will create a virtual environment using Python 3.13. Now let's move on to the second line. Let's copy the next line, Command C, go to the terminal, Command V, and hit enter. Now you can see that we are inside the virtual environment created before. Let's copy the next line. Now before copying this line, make sure to upgrade your pip so that it installs all the requirements correctly. Now to upgrade pip, we will simply type Python along with the version 3.13 -n pip install --upgrade pip. I will also leave this in the description below and hit enter. And it will upgrade your pip to the latest version. Now let's copy the next line. Pip install requirements. Hit enter. This line will install all the requirements present in the Odysseus folder to allow Python to run it on your MacBook. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes to install all requirements. If you see this message at the end, it means all of your requirements have been installed. Now let's run the next line from the website. Hit Command C, go to the terminal and hit Command V to run this here. Hit enter. Create a username. I will type 123. Hit enter. Type the password 123 and hit enter. When you type the password, it will not show up on the terminal. Confirm the password 123. Hit enter. Now our login details have been set. If we look above, we can see the line start the server with. Now everything else has been completed. We just need to start the server to access Odysseus. Let's copy this line from here. Hit Command C and paste this here. Command hit enter. Now it will take a few seconds to start the server. At the end of this tutorial, I will also show you how to create an executable file so you don't have to come to terminal to start the server every time you try to open Odysseus. Now once you see this line, UV running on HTTPS, it means that the server has been started. Simply copy this line from here, hit Command C, open a new tab in your browser and paste this here. Or you can also type 127.0.0.1:7000. Hit enter. And here you can see Odysseus has started. Now we can enter our username and password. Click on sign in. And Odysseus will open up. Now our Odysseus has started. But if we see here, there are no models connected right now. To fix that, simply click on the plus icon at the side or go to the settings from the bottom left corner. Let's go to settings. First of all, let's connect Ollama we just installed in here. To do that, click on quick start and select Ollama from here. Once it is done, you can see a URL here as well. Click on add and Ollama will start running inside your Odysseus. But here you can see it says that no models are currently installed. Now once Ollama has started running, let's install a model which we can use to chat with Odysseus. Now to install a model, we have to choose from hundreds of models which can be best based on our hardware. So the best option to check which model works best for your hardware, go to cookbook option in the left column. In here click on rescan and it will show you which models are perfect for you. You can check them from here or open a new tab, open google.com and go to AI mode. Now give it your MacBook specs and search which model can work for your system. Now based on it, it has recommended me a model. Now you can check which models you need. Now I will install this one, small LM2. Now you can search in Google AI mode as well to give you the full line to download this model. I will simply paste this. I'll simply copy this line, Ollama pull, open a new terminal by right clicking on the terminal and click on new window. Now in here simply paste this line. Similarly we can install other models as well. We just need the Ollama pull command and we can write the model at the end of it. But writing the complete name of the model is necessary to download the correct one. So make sure you have the correct name and hit enter. After downloading the model, it will give you a success message like this. Once it is done, go back to Odysseus, refresh it once, and you may see the model directly here as well. If you don't see it here, simply go to settings, click on 1 out of 1 models enabled and choose the model from here. Let's close this. Now let's test our model. I've searched for capital of France and it has given me an answer. If it gives you an hallucinating answer, it is just a problem of the model. You can train it to work better for your use case. Now that Odysseus is all set up, you may be wondering how to reopen Odysseus in case you want to use it again, which we can use to double click on the file and open Odysseus without having to go to the terminal every time. Go to the search icon from the top right corner and type text edit. Open the app. Once it is opened, click on format and click on make plain text. Now you need to paste these 3 lines here. The first line, you may need to change the first line according to the path where your Odysseus folder is present. To do that, simply go to your Odysseus folder. For example, I have it installed in my desktop. Right click on the folder and click on get info. Now in here where it says where, drag your mouse over it, hit Command C to copy it, hit Command V here to paste this here, and now we just need to add /Odysseus at the end so that it goes inside the folder, starts the environment and starts the server. Now to save this file, click on File, click on Save, uncheck this box from here. You can change it to anything you want, but you need to make sure to add dot command at the end. I will save it in my desktop and click on Save. Now as you can see that my file has been saved in the desktop. Now we need to give it a special permission so that MacBook does not prevent it from opening. It will be only for the first time. Go to the terminal, just right click, open a new window. Now as this file is saved in our desktop, I'll first go to desktop, cd, -desktop. Now I will type chmod space +x space our file name. Hit enter. Now it is done. Now if you're opening the file for the first time, you may need to change some things. Right click on the file, click on get info, and where it says open with, click on this bar here, click on other. In here where it says enabled, choose this and choose all applications. Now in here search for terminal, select the terminal and click on add, continue. Now it will force MacBook to open .command files from the terminal. Now let's double click on the file to see if it runs. Here you can see our Odysseus server has started. Now we can go back to the browser and open the Odysseus app by typing 127.0.0.1:7000. Here you can see, and all our chat history will be saved as well. Thank you for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.